Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your ASUS Zenfone 7, at the first you have to open notification bar, then activate Bluetooth, and then click and hold it to enter Bluetooth settings. Do the same on the second device that you want to connect. Then click to pair new device. And when here pops some application, some devices, we can easily click on it to connect. So for example, I'm going to connect with this smartphone. Accept permission on the both devices, accept the pair, and as you can see, we are currently connected. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!